in humanity. The human brain is the most powerful processor known to a man. Just imagine this, if your thoughts could speak for you, if machines could listen to your mind, or if you could link your brain directly to a machine. Sounds like a science fiction, but not anymore. Today, we bring you a glimpse of future when neurons meet circuits and imagination meets innovation. This technology is not just an innovation. It's voice for voiceless and a bridge for those whom the world left behind. Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Manasvi Mutke from All Saints High School. Today we are here to present our project on one of the most fascinating innovations of modern sciences, that is BCI or Brain Computer Interface. Brain Computer Interface is a technology that establishes a direct communication pathway between brain and an external device. It turns thoughts into action. There are three types of BCI based on signal acquisition. First, invasive, which involves implanting electrodes into the brain tissue. Partially invasive, which involves implanting electrodes on the surface of the brain. And non-invasive, which is implanting electrodes on the scalp. Our project mainly focuses on two powerful advancements. First, Neuralink. Neuralink is a neurotechnological company founded by Elon Musk in 2016, which aims to merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence with the help of a coin-sized chip implanted in the brain, which has very thin, flexible wires with electrodes directly using a robotic surgeon. Secondly, we have ECG monitoring system with AD8232 ECG sensor with Arduino, which controls, captures and visualizes the electrical signals in human body and heart. Now I request you to come forward. So these are the ECG electrodes which are placed on his hand. These capture the electromyographic signals from his body, which are the signals in muscles which are caused due to thinking. These signals are then transferred into this red chip, which is AD8232 ECG sensor. This chip then forwards those signals into the laptop. With the help of this software, we converted those signals into a graph-like structure. When the graph is in the range of 1000 to 2000, the person is relaxed. When the graph is below 1000, the person is very cool and calm. And when the graph goes above 3000, then the person is very much stressed and thinking so much. So now as you can see, his graph is between the range of 2000 to 3000 and it is coming down and going up. So then these signals are sent into that black chip, which is ESP32. This chip then commands those servo motors to move their hand. Then we can see that with the help of this thinking, the command is sent to the servo motor to move the hand, so that we can control the prosthetic arm with the help of the thinking. Now I request Aradhya to conclude the project.
This project is not only about chips or circuit, but it's about understanding the most powerful processor in the world, the human brain. It's not about making ourselves lazy, but unlocking the true power of brain. Now let's take a look on the advantages of BCI. It helps in assisting paralyzed and disabled people to control devices like wheelchairs so that they can do their day-to-day chores and live independently. Even a gaming dream for those who are disabled but not anymore. Now they can play games and make their life joyful just by their mind. Nextly, as you can see, the electrodes are disconnected. The graph is stopped. Then it also has, in the future, it has potential to enhance healthcare, medical field. It may also connect human mind with AI. And if we talk about the current affairs, Neuralink has implanted this chip in 9 patients. The 9 patients are the first female patient to implant this chip in her brain. What about India? In India, IIT Kanpur has developed a non-invasive BCI based robotic hand to help stroke patients to regain their limb movement. Shubhanshu Shukla a well-known astronaut, is now working on this technology for space, exploring how astronauts can use their mind to control machines even in that extreme climate and condition. Siddharth Nangi and Dipyansh Goyal are the two young innovators of India actively shaping the future of BCI through their company known as Next Team. Now we can say that on Man Ki Baat Vigyan Bolega. With the help of BCI, we are not just building connections of neurons and circuits, but we are building hopes because it's a bridge between abilities and possibilities. Thank you and have a nice day.
One week.